Alright, so there might be 3 parts to this video because somehow I managed to clear out of the video I was making again. So this is going to be the Remington High Terminal Performance 88 grain hollow points. Not bad. Those were not spendy at all either. Here's the ammo ink. These are ones that I've had a problem with multiple times before. I don't know because if it's cheap, but those Remingtons were cheap and they did okay. Yeah, I think this ammo is just garbage. We'll see what happens here. Maybe this ammo ink ammo is just garbage. Yeah, I don't know about that. So that was 90 grain ammo incorporated, jacketed hollow points. I've definitely had some issues with that. Maybe that's the ammo, maybe it's not. The limp wristing or the firearm. So last but not least, we got these Blue Guardian Fiocchi 75 grain. Interested to see what this does. So far today, that's what, 1836, 54 rounds, 64, 73 rounds I put through, 17 of which it was before the video. The biggest problems I had were with the ammo ink. Obviously you watched that. And then one failed to feed with the Sig Sauer V Crown, which in all honesty might have been me actually limp wristing it. So I'm more comfortable now, I guess. I'm still saying I'm going to trust the 380 X-Point Browning hollow points and the full metal jackets for range play. I just have some questions. I was hoping maybe this would help everybody out. The Glock 42. I've owned one used before again. This one I brought brand new. Like I said, probably about 150 rounds through it. And I actually borrowed this from a friend. This is the Bodyguard 2.0. So let's bring you out of that tripod